Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I will show you how you can travel to USA for free. That's not all. They will pay for your flights, your transportation, your feeding, everything that you need. It's actually a fully funded conference. If this is something that you are interested in, it's happening in the United States, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. And if you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you where in the world are you watching from. And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you for all you. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, if you are seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. But first, to my returning subscribers, thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for clicking on the like button. Thank you for always sharing my video out. Thank you. Thank you. And I see your amazing comments. God bless you. And if you're seeing me for the first time, let me also introduce myself. While you introduce yourselves as well, please introduce yourselves in the comments because I really want to know you. So, besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also catch me live on YouTube. I'm not on this channel. So yes, without further ado, let's get right into this business. Come on, let's go to USA. Get together for free. It's all fully funded. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, your colleagues, your classmates, your besties, your church members, your boss papers, and everyone that you know, and your enemies as well. Let's all travel to US together. So besties, have you heard of the Wilson Center Fellowship Program 2026 in United States? It's happening in Washington, D.C. Guess what, guys? The duration is for 9 months. Yes, guys, the duration of this program is for 9 months. It's called short. Yes, they have short-term options available. They'll also be paying you a stipend of $90,000 for the fellowship period. It's a fellowship, and here are some of the benefits. You get private furnished office space. You get access to research resources and a Library of Congress. You also get a research assistant support, as well as policy seminars and networking opportunities. It is open to postdoctoral scholars, journalists, practitioners, and public intellectuals. All nations are invited. J1 visa for non-US residents. Guess what, guys? This fellowship is happening in the United States, and guess what? It is a unique chance to advance your own research, your influence policy, and engage with global leaders in Washington, D.C. Guys, it is happening at the Wilson Center Fellowship, and yes, this is a research opportunity, an opportunity for you to come to the United States and take advantage of this awesome once in a lifetime opportunity. So guys, I told you guys I have a lot of fully funded conferences that I discovered that I'm going to be sharing with you guys on this channel. Please don't miss it for anything. Turn on your notification bell. Subscribe to this channel in case you have not subscribed to my channel. Previously, I shared Bangkok opportunity, how you can travel to Bangkok for free. Yes, how you can travel to Thailand for free. I can travel to South Africa for free. I'm sharing all of this information in Australia too. There's another fully funded conference in Australia, and they will pay for everything, your flights, your accommodation. This is the longest of them all. For now, this is a fellowship. Yes, a 9-month long fellowship, and you also get paid $90,000. Yes, you get paid $90,000 stipend for the duration of that program. So guys, don't sleep on it. Like this video, share this video with your friends. Let's take this video to 100,000 views. It is very possible. Let's take it to 1,000 likes, 100,000 views. You guys, let's do. I know you can do it. With your help, with your support. Let's do this together. Let's allow this just information. This is not a gossip channel. This is a channel where there's someone, which is me, doing endless research, sleeping at 2 a.m. I'm telling you, just to make sure that collates all of these details, put together all the research. And I see people attend these research, these conferences, and they don't tell a single soul. They don't tell anybody. Like, they just apply and they get the visa and they come. We've had friends, my husband and I, we've had friends who come from Nigeria and they come for, conferences, different kinds of conferences. They come for Mark Zuckerberg's conference, some of them Google conference. And well, sometimes I'm like, why are you the only one? Like, don't you tell your friends? These guys just keep it under wraps. They don't tell anyone. But this is the channel where even if they don't tell you, we will tell you. So make sure that you join this train. Join this channel. Join the family. Because you're going to be seeing all this, how you can travel abroad for free, how you can study abroad for free. In my last video, I also shared another video. Maybe I might drop the video after this one. How you can also study in USA. How you can become a doctor for free in USA. These are research. You have to do intensive research because you won't just find them everywhere. So, but I am all ears. I'm here just constantly researching all these opportunities for you guys. So please, all I need from you is to just share these videos. Just tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Share my video with your friends. Share it in your communities, with your classmates, your colleagues. Just tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, because these are opportunities that would help bless someone. It's life changing. It's going to transform life, and we need to get this information to as many people as possible, So, and if you have any question for me, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. And if you haven't introduced yourself, yes, please, by all means do that. Yes, I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I post videos every week. You might be wondering, what's this hand doing here? It's my mannequin. Yes, I made that outfit. Yes, I did. So go ahead and share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Share this video with your colleague. Share this video in all of your with all of your friends, your church members, your colleagues, your students community, church community, and what have you. So if you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, you want to discuss travel opportunities, scholarships, your I-20, you want to discuss your letter, you can always join my Patreon community, book a one-on-one consultation with me. Or you can click on the join button right next to the subscribe button, and then you can schedule a one-on-one consultation with me, and we can discuss whatever it is, as long as it's in the confines of what I can assist with. Go ahead and just book a consultation with me. Once you join my Patreon community, then I will send you a link to book a one-on-one consultation with me, and then pick one. I'm also doing a giveaway of $100 cash gifts, and all you need to do is add 50 people into my Telegram community. Also find the link in the description. All the links of my channel is always in my description. Find the link to my Telegram community in the comments in the description, and then add 50 of your friends. Then you can win my $100 cash gifts. So yes, once you add 50 people, make sure that they are permanent. Don't pull out. If you do, I will find out. I will. It is me. If you try to game the system or scam the system, I will know. Trust me. See, I can spot anything fake a mile away. Sorry, 1 million miles away. Anyway, that's all about it for today. Till I see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye for now.